This is Itele Media, and you are welcome to Itele Documentaries. Nyesom Wike, the power, the drama, the influence. A Nigerian politician, lawyer, and the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria. Bold, loud, and unpredictable. Wike is not your average politician. He's a political hurricane. He doesn't follow the storm. He brings it. Whether he's building bridges or burning alliances, one thing is certain, you will always hear his name echo in Nigeria's political space. Nyesom Wike, a man whose name instantly stirs headlines, tension, and applause all at once. Born on December 13th, 1967, in Rumwe, Rivers State. Wike trained as a lawyer, but his true courtroom was always the political stage. His rise began at the grassroots as a local government chairman, then chief of staff, and later Minister of State for Education under President Jonathan. But it was in 2015 that he stamped his authority, elected as governor of Rivers State, the oil-rich heart of the Niger Delta. For 8 years, Wike ran Rivers like a general, building massive infrastructure, defending his turf with fire and clashing openly with rivals and even allies. His tenure was bold and controversial. Nicknamed Mr. Projects, Wike earned praise for flyovers, roads, schools, and hospitals. But he also gained a reputation for political drama, shutting down opposition rallies, taking on the federal government, and speaking his mind without filters. But it was the 2023 elections that truly cemented his status as a power broker. After falling out with his party, the PDP, over internal zoning issues, Wike led a rebel group known as the G5 governors, threatening to tear the party apart. Some say he sabotaged his own candidates. Others say he simply demanded fairness. Post-election, Wike did the unexpected, accepting a role as Minister of the Federal Capital Territory under the ruling APC government, led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. A PDP kingpin working in an APC government, that is Wike for you. Unpredictable, tactical, and unapologetically himself. Love him or hate him, you can't ignore Nyesom Wike. He's not just playing the game, he's redefining it. Indeed, Nyesom Wike is a politician to reckon with. This was Itele Documentaries. Thank you for watching, and ensure to follow us for more documentaries. I am Angel Mimi. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.